In this one I'm riding on an open road when I noticed a vehicle stopped ahead. I slow down to keep a safe distance and then suddenly the person grabs a huge log and starts swinging it around while trying to carry it. I saw it in my mirror, that thing almost hit me. This could have ended really badly, with that log sending me into oncoming traffic. What I could have done better here is maybe honk before passing or make sure the cars behind me were far enough so I could slow down even more, or even stop, until that person finishes what they're doing. Here you'll see a section where a collision could easily happen, and all because the road isn't marked properly. Notice how the white line limits my lane switch, but the actual track I'm riding on just disappears ahead. Unfortunately, it's been like this for years and nobody seems to care enough to fix it. Next, we've got a bus driver who didn't expect anyone to be coming through the intersection, so he didn't leave enough room for safe positioning. As riders, it's our job to anticipate this. The right move is to slightly change our position from the usual left turning line so we stay safe and visible. This next intersection is one of those that requires full attention. You have to watch for traffic coming from the left, from the right, from where you just came, and even from the next lane over. The biggest risks here are cars on the left that might suddenly turn right and can't see you from the leading vehicle. Leading vehicles making late or unpredictable turns, and cars approaching from behind. So the best thing you can do is stay visible. Keep enough distance so everyone on both sides can clearly see you or hear. Now here's a classic one. A bus stopped close to a car with hazard lights, and the driver in that car has no idea I'm there. If he suddenly hit the gas as I pass, that could go really wrong. That's why expect the unexpected is such an important rule. Always make the driver aware that you are there before you pass, so you don't end up hearing that famous line, "Oh, I didn't see you there, man." Letting someone merge in front of you sometimes looks like a nice thing to do, but for me, it's more about keeping the road clear. If I pass them, I remove the chance they'll get impatient or stressed and suddenly move right into my path. When you're approaching a wide intersection and see a car waiting to merge, always assume there's another one hidden behind it trying to do the same. That mindset keeps you ready for surprises. You might be wondering why I don't overtake here. The road looks straight and clear, right? Well, there's one key danger: the car in front. Drivers sometimes realize too late that they missed a turn and suddenly swing left without signaling. That's why I never overtake near side roads. I wait until I'm past them, then go. When coming up to a section with limited visibility, I check my mirrors first. If it's clear, I gradually lower my speed and move slightly outward. As I pass, I keep my focus on that blind area, expecting anything from a person to an animal or even a car to pop out. Honking can sometimes save you. It makes other drivers aware and can turn a risky situation in your favor. But in this case, it's the opposite. A honk here might make the driver panic and move forward, straight into oncoming traffic. So it's better to stay calm and let them figure it out. As I approach the blind spot of the car in front, I decide not to move forward. If I continued, I'd be right in its dead angle at the exact moment another car is merging from the side. That would create a messy and unsafe situation, so I just wait to pass by the vehicle on the right, which is of higher risk to me, monitoring if the driver sees me and the front wheel of the car. When I notice a taxi slightly blocking my lane, I drop a few gears to keep my throttle and braking sharp. I keep my eyes on the car's front wheel. That's usually where you'll first see movement. Buses are big and they block a lot of your vision. In this case, I can't really see if there is a vehicle trying to come out from that side dirt road or a vehicle trying to turn there behind the bus. So I stay in a low gear, ease off the throttle to keep the bike stable, cover both brakes and get ready for something to appear at any second. When I'm in a relaxed cruising mood, so I just want to chill out, I like to let cars that follow me too closely go ahead. That way I don't have to worry about them. No one in my mirrors, no stress, no pressure to speed up. It's just safer and more enjoyable that way. Alright, let's have a little quiz. What's the biggest threat here? A. The yellow car, B. The grey car, C. The invisible car. And once again, it's that invisible one, the one we don't see coming, that can surprise an unprepared rider. Here, my lane is partially blocked. I flash my lights to let the driver merge fully, but since I've got cars close behind and visibility isn't great, I just keep my speed down. I stay focused on the car ahead and pass carefully, checking my mirrors and blind spot the whole time.